Hola, buenos dias, everybody. I made it. I'm in Seville, Sevilla. So it's beautiful here. It's Monday, day number 9. I got a great room, and I can tell you it's the first time in the trip. I got the triple threat. So I got a great AC, great shower, and great Wi-Fi in the room. So I hit the 3 at the same time. And I will be here for 3 days. So 3 is the lucky number. Hey, so Sevilla, it's beautiful here. More little streets again. Google Map will be my friend. And you have the cathedral, the biggest Gothic cathedral in the world with the tomb of Columbus. And also you see in the back the Giralda towers, very popular, one of the big attraction in Spain. And you have also the Alcazar, that is it's a palace here downtown, where Game of Thrones, they film a few episodes of the Game of Thrones at the Alcazar. So, and of course, Flamenco. So I will probably go see a flamenco show. I don't know which night, so I'm here for 3 nights. So all right, guys. So today it's a freestyle. I will follow Rick Steve itinerary a little bit around the streets, and I will see you when I will find something interesting. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Hello guys, if you follow me for the last few videos, remember that Spain start with the Roman, the Moorish, the Islamic and Catholic, and Napoleon. So that tower represents exactly what we're talking about. So at the bottom of the tower you have rocks coming from the era of the Romans people. And when the Moorish and the Islamic people came, they built their towers, and they start from the rock of the Romans and build their towers with the arch and everything. And in 1400, when the Catholic take over, well, they said, hey, let's put our belt and everything. So the top of the tower is Catholic, and the middle is Islamic, and the bottom is totally Roman. And also, if I zoom a little bit, the other story of Seville, it's about Virgin Mary. So Virgin Mary is very important in Sevilla. Even they have kind of 2 teams, a little bit like Montreal and the Nordics. So they have 2 different Virgin Mary in the area. And according of my reading and what I heard is like local people ask, are you on, which team are you? Are you on the Virgin Mary number 1 or Virgin Mary number 2? And every year they have parade and to compete against the 2 Virgin Mary. So this is my little story of the tower, the Giralda towers, very popular, and I will probably climb it tomorrow. All right, talk to you later. This is the cathedral, Seville Cathedral, with the tower in the back. Holy macaroni, this cathedral is huge. Hola, behind the trees are the Alcazar that we will visit in 2 days. Okay.